Wouldn't it be nice to run a semi-automated business so that you could start earning passive income? It's every online entrepreneur's dream to find that home run product that sells out. So in today's video, we're going to be going over trending products to give you some new business ideas or ideas to add to your existing store. Welcome back to Learn with Shopify. I'm your host, Michelle Bally, and today you're going to learn what the top 12 trending products are to sell online and some ideas of how you can market them. The trending products on this list have some of the highest gross merchandise value, and they also have some of the highest total numbers of orders sourced on AliExpress and Oberlo. And by the way, each of these products that we're going to be talking about today can be found on Oberlo, which is available for free to all Shopify store owners. If you have a product that actually piques your interest, you can use Oberlo to add it to your Shopify store in a few clicks. So let's hop into the list. This pet bed has been making its way to the top of sales charts. According to Google Trends, the keyword dog bed gets 234,000 monthly searches, and cat bed also has 60,500 monthly searches. Because this bed is visually appealing, specifically to young women, market this pet bed on visual platforms like Pinterest and Instagram. On Pinterest, you can promote your posts so that when people click on your pin, it takes them to your website. And on Instagram, you can partner with pet-related fan pages to get a shout out in a post or in an Instagram story. By partnering with a fan page, your product can be seen by a much larger audience, especially if you're just starting out. This sofa and couch cover is a popular product for homes with pets or children. It's also bought by property owners who rent out their spaces on Airbnb and for people who host get-togethers in their homes. Google Trends has shown a noticeable rise in searches for this product. Statista also estimates that the sofa and seat industry is going to be a $44.7 million market in 2020, and data from Statista predicts that the market will only grow to 0.6% annually until 2023, which makes sofa and seat covers a safer long-term bet that you can sell for at least the next few years. With this type of a product, your best bet is to use wide-reaching channels like Facebook and Google. If you're looking to target Airbnb hosts as your customers, you should consider where the most Airbnb hosts are and target those areas. According to All the Rooms Analytics, the US cities with the highest occupancy rates are in California, Hawaii, and Florida. Use this data among other insights to create custom Facebook audiences. Minimalist Jewelry has seen some of the strongest sales growth for retailers in recent years. Google Trends shows that there are many frequent high-volume searches from consumers for dainty jewelry. There was an expected annual growth rate of 2% until 2023, but there has actually been an overall decline in the number of jewelry businesses out there. Since the demand for the product is there, but the competition is on a decline, a jewelry store could be a lucrative venture. When it comes to marketing trending products in fashion, the ideal platforms are typically Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. A simple way to elevate your jewelry store's presence is to create videos featuring your products. Instagram favors video content because it keeps people on the platform longer, and that's why videos get more visibility on Instagram's search and explore pages. So be sure to use videos for added visibility on your posts. Also, most jewelry retailers tend to post pictures, so video will give you a competitive advantage if you're willing to put in a bit more work. The men's grooming industry is full of opportunities, but one item in particular is picking up steam. Beard straighteners show 37,000 monthly searches with a massive increase starting in 2018 in United Arab Emirates and the United States. To turn this men's beard straightener into a top-selling product on your store, consider using Google Ads to target keywords with high purchase intent, like buy men's beard straightener, for example. You can also use SEO-focused content to go after more informational terms like how to straighten a beard. If you're not a writer, instructional videos also work. Educational content will perform well because beard straighteners are so novel. Try to use content to solve common questions like do beard straighteners actually work, and you'll frequently be rewarded with search traffic. Shapewear is shaping up to be one of the best evergreen niches to pursue. For the third year in a row, this product category has made Shopify's trending product list. By 2022, the shapewear market is expected to skyrocket to about $5.6 billion in sales. This used to be an undergarment, but it is now a piece of everyday wear. Fashion retailers are also stocking their stores with bodysuits that can help create a slimming silhouette. Shapewear is still popular within the lingerie industry, but it's now emerging into high fashion with styles that can be worn either as clothing or lingerie. What makes Shapewear a product worth considering is that it offers retailers a lot of versatility, whether you sell lingerie, women's fashion, or want to add this category to an existing general apparel store. You'll be able to find shapewear in different colors, styles, and sizes to meet the diverse needs of your customer base. You can sell trending products like this high-waist shapewear, which has generated over 6,000 sales in January of 2020. It has a seamless design and creates a visibly slimmer figure for your customers. Recently, data shows that backpacks are a clear front runner as one of the best products to sell online. This backpack in particular has been surging in sales recently. As Google Trends show below, search demand has grown year over year with consistent spikes around August. Statista estimates that backpack sales will rise from 19.1 billion USD in 2020 to 22.5 billion USD in 2023, ensuring that this will be a top trending products for years to come. Targeting your ideal customer depends on who it is. Backpacks can be for children, college or university students. They could also be for adults. So if you're looking to sell backpacks for children, then your marketing will need to target parents. The best place to target parents is through Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and Pinterest. One thing to consider is that competing with other back-to-school marketing campaigns will result in inflated prices on ads. But if you time your launch before during back-to-school season, you could see a surge in sales. However, if you're selling to college kids or adults, then you'll need to reach them directly, and you can do that with Instagram ads or through influencer partnerships. Backpacks for adults that aren't in college aren't as susceptible to seasonal ups and downs, so if you're looking for a year-round product trend, this market could be a hit. Post-workout massage guns. Massage guns are handheld massage devices intended to be used after a workout to relax tense muscles. Massage guns are still relatively new, and consumer interest in them has been climbing since last summer. Interest is still high post-Christmas, and massage guns show clear signs of becoming a top trending product for the rest of 2020. Look to video marketing and interactive ads on Instagram as your best distribution channel for this product. This is a very functional product, so having an explainer video will convert well. Show a video of the product in use, its features, and use clear subtitles for when people are browsing Instagram with their sound off. Working with influencers directly on Instagram could be another lucrative channel for sales. Getting a shout out in their story could even be enough to drive new sales. There are certain niches in the fitness industry you can pick to focus on and turn it into a best-selling product online. Smartwatches. Around 1.2 billion watches are sold each year globally, and that number just keeps rising. Last year, we saw the rise of minimalist watches specifically. In 2021, smartwatches will continue trending upward. December tends to be the peak month for watch sales, but it's still important to include summer accessories to ensure higher profits year-round. Facebook and Instagram tend to be the most popular channels for growing a watch store, and many watch retailers have influencers take lifestyle shots set wherever they travel for outdoorsy and luxurious images that are perfect for Instagram. Entrepreneur Tim Koch launched a watch store and was able to make $6,667 in roughly 8 weeks by using this approach. You can start your first watch store by selling this Bluetooth smartwatch, which includes a built-in camera, sound recorder, step counter, sleep monitor, calendar, and more. One recent product trending with new parents is the baby carrier. Since strollers are big and bulky, some parents are opting for a smaller option to carry their newborn for a few hours. Google Trends shows that we're close to hitting peak interest for this product. So if you're looking for a top-selling product with validated demand, consider acting fast. To reach new parents with this item, you'll once again use Facebook advertising and Instagram advertising. If you're looking to explore other sales channels, consider selling on Amazon or listing your product on Google Shopping, although it's worth noting that these marketplaces will take a fee from your sale. Another experiment to try is market to a local group with flyers. Create discount codes and distribute them among new parent meetup groups in your town. Athleisure. In fashion, trends are the only thing that's constant. However, athleisure is one fashion trend that has had some staying power over the last 5 years. Athleisure is activewear worn as everyday look rather than for working out. You can sell everything from sweatshirts to sweatpants, headbands, capris, and shoes. You can start your athleisure store by selling these yoga leggings, which have been converting well for Shopify store owners using Oberlo. The nice thing about this niche is that it can be taken in several directions. You can open a dedicated online store, or you can turn it into a product collection within a broader store. Since millennial women are often the target market for athleisure, visual platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest are ideal channels to grow your brand. Look into driving sales with influencer marketing. One place to begin is seeking out fitness influencers using search tools within Instagram. Find an influencer you want to work with, then tap on the related button to find other similar accounts. Then you'll have a list of people you could reach out to. You can also search by hashtag and related tags to get connected with influencers within your niche. Mesh shoes are another example of a product that's moved from workout wear into the athleisure category. Men and women's mesh shoes have also been a best-selling product for the last 2 years and show signs of being a trending item through the rest of 2020. These trending items are best sold through visual platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And you can try experimenting with Google Ads as well. Mesh shoes typically have a bigger addressable market than most athleisure products. So for example, you can target Generation X looking to be stylish and comfy, or service industry workers who are going to be on their feet all day. There are many potential audiences you can explore with mesh shoes. Conduct a competitive analysis of the market and decide what route is best for you. So these are some of the trending products to sell in 2020 and into 2021. But finding the product trends is only one part of the equation. The real secret is figuring out how to market them. Make sure that you're checking out our Facebook Ads for Beginners video so that you can start reaching your audience. Let me know what you plan to sell in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to give you some feedback. Learn with Shopify is a channel dedicated to small business owners with big plans, so make sure that you're hitting that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm your host, Michelle, and I will see you in the next one. Marketing is a deep topic, so if you're interested in learning more, register using the link below to gain access to a free 30-minute webinar that will help you level up your marketing by changing the way that you think of your store's marketing funnel. Learn how to go from first day to first sale in this free training course.